Hello, so we are back. Finally Friday, and it's a beautiful day outside. I mean, today, like 28 degrees, you can believe that? I mean, unexpected for England, but yeah, it's a beautiful day. So what do we have here? What do we have here? Trust me, we have a beautiful laptop. And you know, I brought on the my videos only nice laptops, right? So check here, yeah? Acer Predator, yeah, you can see i7 NVIDIA graphics 144 hertz screen. This is a nice one. This is a gaming laptop, yeah. Okay, so what's the story of this laptop? I have the customer letter here. The story is like that. Something was got split onto the laptop, where the customer cleaned the motherboard. Then the battery is not charging. He bought another battery. It's working on the battery, but it's not charging. He also sent me the original battery. Maybe we can revive it. When he's running a power-hungry game, it's shutting down. Things like that, yeah. The battery charging sign is on, but actually it's not charging. Okay? So can you help this customer? That's the question. So what the laptop is doing? First, pressing the power button. And the laptop is coming on, you see? It's working. It's loading the windows, okay? Let me power off. Let me power off. Good. Now with the charger, yeah, with the charger, and we learn from every repair, yeah. You connect the charger, and you follow the charging current, right? Okay. We have the screen. We have the cable is connected to the screen, to the power supply, yeah. So plug in the charger. Pay attention on the screen. I mean, this is brain dead. The charging. Usually it's a speaking, it's a like a pre-charging current before it's switching to full power. This one, as soon as I plug the charger, yeah, is going straight up to where? To the power supply limit. So I have a 4 amps limit there. You can see 4 amps. I mean, straight away plugging the charger, 4 amps. This is not this. It is charging current. Probably this current is going into the battery, but it's not like a calculated charging current. So let's open this laptop and try to help the customer. Yeah. Yeah, the laptop has the screws. Unexpected, because every gaming laptop which is coming here has no screws. I mean, 4 amps for the charging current. 4 amps. This is a gaming laptop. Gaming laptops, they have small batteries. 4 amps. Did you ever seen a laptop battery which is taking 4 amps? I seen with 3 amps, but no 4. I mean, this is not like an electric scooter. It's a laptop. Okay, so the laptop is open. This is a nice one. We've seen this before. Wow, and you remember with what problem? So check here, charging port, first MOSFET, second MOSFET. You remember? We had before. So this is the first on my list to check things, yeah? Okay, so this is a brand new battery. It looks like a copy battery. Let's unplug the battery. The board was cleaned by the customer, so we can have a look, but probably it's clean. Yeah. We have a nice E&E chip there. So how this is supposed to work? Very simple, yeah? All data is inside of the battery, the charging current and everything, yeah? The battery is speaking with the I/O chip. The I/O chip is speaking with the power management chip, which is somewhere around here. Then the power management chip is charging the battery. It's managing the input power. So first, let's check the first two MOSFETs, yeah? That's a must. So first MOSFET, check on the screen. 0 ohms. Second MOSFET, Second MOSFET is good. The second one is good. So what do we have here? Two nice MOSFETs, you can see? Yeah. Now let's remove the first one, which is shorted. That should be a quick job, right? Remember, we had this kind of job, but actually the laptop was working, and all what the laptop was doing was shutting down on heavy gaming. And the reason why was the first MOSFET, which was shorted. You remember? Now let's remove the MOSFET quickly. So the MOSFET is removed. Yeah, good. Now let's try to find another MOSFET. We need a solid one. This is a solid MOSFET. Has to be able to drive like around 10 amps. And I do have a gaming motherboard here. Yeah, those are solid. Yeah, those are solid. Oh, these are dual MOSFETs. Okay, I need like a basic MOSFET, not a dual one. Found it, found it, found it. It is a solid MOSFET. Good. Like that. Perfect, perfect. Now let's cool down the MOSFET. Let's use a little bit of thermal pad here. Let's plug the charger, let's plug the battery also, and see what is doing exactly the same thing. We plug the battery. Now let me grab the charger. The charger is here. Plug in the charger. Check on the screen. It's taking no current. Yeah, nothing. Oh, it's taking nothing. Okay, that's bad. Three amps. You can see there? No, this is the charging current, yeah? So unplugging the charger, plugging back the charger, you see 0, and it's going up. No, this is the charging current. It's not 4 amps anymore, it's 3 amps. This is indeed a current which is managed, yeah? Now let's check on the gate of the MOSFET. We have ground and the gate must be here. Check on the gate. 24.4, yeah? About 25 volts. It's about right here. So everything is fine now. Now if we are starting the Windows, let's see. Let me raise the current a little bit, yeah. Now we do have the charging sign, but the charging sign was there even before. You see exactly 3 amps. You can see on the, yeah, pressing the power button, and the laptop is coming on. Yeah, we cannot trust. You see the board lights are flashing? Is that because my power supply doesn't have enough current? I mean, you cannot see on the power supply when actually the current is going over 5 amps. And when it's not enough current and the voltage get dropped, the laptop, it will disconnect the charger, yeah? So let me grab the original charger, the customer charger, and test it. So we have the original customer charger, plug in the charger. Now let's power up the laptop. You see the lights are not flashing anymore, yeah, because the charger has enough current. And the laptop is charging fine, you can see. Check here. %, 11%, and so on. It's charging. What do you think? It is fixed or not? Look, we have the estimate. We have the estimate when the battery will be fully charged. I will say this laptop is fixed. Good. Now it's one more thing. A shorted MOSFET. The internal resistance is higher compared with a working MOSFET, yeah? So have in mind here we have on a gate around 25 volts. So the MOSFET internal resistance is very low. But when you have a shorted MOSFET, the resistance is not that low. I found that on many laptops, especially gaming, and this is not the first one. We have another one with exactly the same problem. This was shorted, and the laptop was shutting down when you were trying to like heavy games. You remember we have on the channel, we have a video. Okay, so we are stopping here. We fixed the laptop. That's what is important. It's charging fine, 3 amps, no problems. Yeah. The battery repair, it will be on a different video. So I'll stop here. I'll say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, like always, and see you on the next one. Bye.